bring all the wishes and greetings from Speed Institute to Dr. Chinmay Parel for scoring topmost rank in super specialty in JIPMER and branch cardiology and the super specialty of DM cardiology. All the best wishes and congratulations for you for a wonderful achievement on this exam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And it gives me a great pleasure and honor to interact with you today in this platform. And it's a wonderful opportunity to talk to you and to share your experience on your achievement. And before we could start, we want to know from Dr. Chinmay from where he comes from and where he did his medicine, where he did his post-graduation and MD from, and why he wanted to become a cardiologist.
Yes, so I am from Solapur, Maharashtra. My undergraduate and postgraduate both are from St. GS Medical College and KEM Hospital, Mumbai. I passed out this year only, sir, in September 15th I passed. So I have always wanted to be a cardiologist right since my UG days, and ever since I joined PG, that feeling got strengthened. So amongst all the patients that I saw, I realized that the only branch which offered an optimum balance between diagnosis and therapeutics is cardiology. And it also had a balance between therapeutic skills, the surgical part, the procedural part, and the medical part. So that is why, sir, I always have wanted to be a cardiologist.
Okay. Now, I want to know from you, when you started the preparation, how you started it, and what kept you going? What is the strategy behind your preparation? And what was your journey from NEET to AIIMS to JIPMER? And we want to know all that.
So the journey, I always have wanted to be a cardiologist, but dedicated preparation, I began it just before my exams, just before my final MD exams. So I never had during my residency, I never had the time to read Brownwald and Perloff and all those things. So I only focused on my Harrisons. That too, I started late in my second year when I started getting some time, and I was thorough with my Harrison. So that much I read. From what my seniors told me, they had always told me that NEET is predominantly Harrison based, so it is easier to crack, and that was how it was in the beginning. But after giving NEET this year, I realized that reading only Harrison was not sufficient. So when the result came, my rank was NEET rank, All India rank was 202. So I was getting a college, but I wanted to do it from a really good college. I have always wanted to do cardiology from a premier institute, from an institute which has both academics and good hands-on. So clearly that was not possible. So I was kind of dejected. So then I spoke with a lot of people who were doing cardiology in JIPMER, AIIMS, Sri Chitra, all these institutes, and every single one of them told me that you have to be thorough with your Brownwald. You have to read it 3 times. You have to read Perloff 3 times and Park 3 times. So that was how it was. Then I thought maybe I have to read for 1 more year, and now I have to start preparing properly. Plus there were COVID duties. And then I figured that the December sessions always have a lot of seats. So there were almost 20 seats to choose from. And the competition, the top lot was going to go away from NEET. The chunk of it, the top 200 people were going to go away. So I thought might as well give it a chance and might as well prepare properly. But then I had to go about it in a very organized way. I didn't have the time to read whole Brownwald, whole Perloff. So I went through the papers. I saw what the pattern was, what units questions are being asked upon. And then I prioritized certain chapters. I decided to cover the entire syllabus from multiple sources such that in a short span of time, I can cover everything multiple times, but then I don't waste time in reading only one book and revising it multiple times, which was clearly not possible. So that is how it was, sir. NEET SS, my score was not so good. Then Sri Chitra, I got selected. Again, when AIIMS came, it was not so good. But Sri Chitra, I cracked both the interviews and it went very well. Then I had some more time, so I prepared for JIPMER. And now here it is, JIPMER rank 2 is my dream.
Okay. Now, did you go through the Brownwald videos?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Predominantly. From the app, that is what I saw predominantly. Brownwald based videos. Because I prioritized. I thought as to what chapters I can read from Brownwald. Reading is possible. And for the very big units like arrhythmias, which is a 500-page unit, clearly it was not possible for me to cover and revise. So all those videos I just saw videos, I made notes, I revised those notes multiple times. Congenital heart disease, also I did the same thing. I only went through the videos and the notes. I didn't read a lot of
So were you able to go through all the videos loaded in the app, all the videos in cardiology of
not
Brownwald?
all the videos, sir. I didn't have a lot of time, but I'd say around 50 to 60% of the videos I went through cardiology videos, Brownwald based videos.
So were you able to answer those questions from those videos, the content in the
Yes,
videos?
sir. Yes, I was very well able to answer. And in addition, the notes that were there, the PowerPoint presentations which have been converted as notes. So all the recent things that are being asked, which are not even given in Brownwald, those things I found, like certain drugs which are still in the clinical trials and have not come. So all those things I found speed notes to be very beneficial for all that.
So did you give your mock exams? We gave a JIPMER mock exam, AIMS mock exam, NEET mock exam. Did you go through those mock exams?
Mock exams, sir, I did not give, but I gave the individual MCQ. I went through the
Topic-wise.
MCQs and the discussion part, AIMS made discussions. All those videos I went through.
Okay. Now, what difference it makes from NEET to JIPMER? Because JIPMER also has the proportionate of Brownwald and Harrison, and NEET also has proportionate. It's just 40-60, there it is 60-40. There's a difference.
Yes,
it has from the combination of books. In what way you felt that NEET was little not for you and JIPMER for you? Probably because of the reason of competition or because of the pattern of questions?
both, sir, and I would say my preparation also changed radically because I had never read Brownwald before that. I had only read Harrison, and after giving NEET, I realized that one unit that is very important is the investigations unit, the stress test, ECG, and thallium scan, all the nuclear medicine, nuclear scans, CT, coronary angio, MR, cardiac MRI. So that unit I thoroughly read it from Brownwald multiple times because I saw that there were a lot of questions which were coming from that unit, and since those are the core investigations for any cardiovascular disease, there is something about every disease that is being covered in those chapters. So I went through those chapters. Then my score started getting better, slightly better. Then I realized that two things that I'm weak at is arrhythmias and pediatric congenital heart disease. So those two things I prioritized. I went through the videos and I solved questions. I kept the balance equal. I used to solve as many questions as possible in a day and also give equal time to reading. So that I could cover the maximum syllabus. And so that preparation changed. Competition I thought would go away, but then I found that many people, because of this delay in counseling, most of the people gave these exams again. So that was, I don't know if that was an advantage, but yeah, obviously they must not be studying so seriously for these exams. And yes, my approach towards the exams changed. And plus JIPMER has made the pattern 60% medicine and 40% specialty, which is a really good thing for freshers because they are very fresh with their Harrisons, and answering medicine questions is quite easy for them.
Good. So now you are in all clear mood to go and join JIPMER. When are you going to join?
So actually, I am still confused. I'm getting both Sri Chitra and JIPMER. So I have not really decided which institute to join. So I'm speaking with some seniors.
So Sri Chitra, what was your score in Sri Chitra?
Sri Chitra, I got selected in the top 5. So they don't give ranks, but I got selected. I have.
They don't give ranks.
They don't give ranks.
So you have a placement in Sri Chitra as well.
Yes.
Now we will know in a few days from you.
Yes,
we will know in a few days from
sure,
you.
Sir.
You let us know.
Yes.
And once you are done with all your admission process, join our faculty team for more contribution in the specialty of cardiology.
Yes.
And
sure,
I feel your enthusiasm is quite infective. And you are not with any exam, and ultimately you want to achieve, and you have achieved it. And very impressive, and really impressive. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And what do you want to tell the aspirants who want to do DM cardiology? What will be your piece of advice? Or when you felt, when you're preparing, you felt, well, this is what I want to tell of my juniors or my colleagues who are planning to do this?
So first thing is not to get disheartened because the syllabus is way too much and there is a lot of competition, but it is definitely doable. That is what I realized. In the beginning, I was like, just chalo try kar lete hain. And then eventually, as my score started improving, I realized that it is possible. It is not something that is out of the world. So you keep preparing, you be consistent in what you are doing, and you read in an organized way. You give rote learning is not the key. You have to be thorough with your concepts, and you have to solve a lot of MCQs, so that you have to try to cover as much as possible in the least possible time, so that you can revise multiple times instead of going through every detail of every textbook that is possible. That is what I would like to tell you.
Okay. It's great interacting with you once again. Yes. I wish you all the best for your specialty of DM cardiology and to be a great cardiologist and years to come. And definitely as a great personality, and you will definitely mark your place in DM cardiology because it's your passion. And we are looking forward for that. And also my personal wishes and the wholehearted wishes from Speed Institute to you, to always, not only to you, to your family as well, and to your family and friends. Thank you very much for joining us,
so much.
and keep in touch. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.